Alright, cool. Alright, well, she says she's on her way. We'll take that for what it's worth. Just, you know, hang around here for as long as you can. If she's not here, you can just go then. I guess I'll just stay here all night if I have to.
Alright, thanks, man. Where do you want me to go?
Just go down there to the floor. I know no one's down there right now. No, right there.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our shift huddle.
Okay.
Just make sure you're down there, and if anybody comes up, take care of them.
Alright, man. Wish me luck tonight,
Alright,
though.
yeah. Yeah, see ya. Let me know how it goes. Oh.
Oh, Chopper, thanks for coming.
Oh, not a problem. I actually got a gas can in the back, so I'm gonna grab it. Goddamn gopher hole! What the fuck? Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! Help me!
Oh my God! Oh my fucking God! Chopper! Someone help! Oh my God! Help!
You sneaky bitch. I'll gut you like a fish.
Can't get me on the rocks, fucker.
Wait, that's not fair. Get back down here. Suck, 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 shit, damn, 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 shit, piss ass fuck.
It is close now. So close to achieving its goal. For Videobot will have dominion over all life on this earth, even unto the ending of the world. The time of the clerk is over. Do we leave them to their fate? Do we let them stand alone? The power of the enemy is growing. Videobot will use his offspring to destroy the clerks of Blockbuster. His plan for revenge has been unleashed. His eye now turns towards Richmond Hills. His vengeance will come swiftly. He senses Spencer is close. The mind of the hero is fading. In his heart, he begins to understand. The quest will claim his life.
Yeah, can I order 2 large pepperoni pizzas with mushroom? Yeah, I'm looking in the middle of the forest. What, you don't deliver? Ah, that sucks. Alright, thanks anyway.
In the gathering dark, the will of the tape grows strong. It's worked hard to find its way back to the VCRs of men who are easily seduced by its power. The young manager of Richmond Hills has but to extend his hand, place the tape on the shelf, and the world will fall.
How'd you like dinner?
It was really good.
Oh. Not bad. You know, I made it myself.
Really?
Yeah, totally.
Well, you're a good cook.
Thanks, I've been practicing.
kind of been nervous to have you over. You know, I've been thinking for quite a while now about something. Well, I think tonight's the night to tell you. I have a gift for you.
And what better way to say I love you than with the gift of a spatula?
I love you too.
That makes me so happy to hear.
So, you want to go to the hot tub?
Sure.
Race you there.
I hate these cufflinks.
Come on.
So, miss me?
Yeah.
You look a little lonely.
Yeah.
Hello one and all and welcome once again to Cooking with Comedy Bot.
Did you hear something? No, I'm serious.
No, baby. You're my angel, my everything. I wouldn't let anything happen to you. Nothing.
Today we will be making one of my favorites, lover stew. Let's not waste any time. First we start by preparing the vegetables. Feel free to add your ingredients while the meat is still tender. I myself am a big fan of potatoes.
Deuce.
With a pot this big, we will need to cook it for a long time at extreme temperatures. In this case, we'll set it up to 9,000 degrees.
You getting hot?
To keep the flavor in, we'll cover the cooker and seal it as it simmers. Normally we would just cook it until the screaming stops, but in this case we really want to lock in the flavor and yup, that smells lovely. I can't wait. Excellent. The flavors should really have worked their way into the mix by now. Why doesn't that look delicious? This dish is to die for, trust me. Until next time, that's all folks.
Glad I kept this.
is April O'Nielsen for Channel 9 News. I'm here at the Richmond Hills Blockbuster reporting on a string of mysterious deaths and disappearances that have occurred here recently.
I know where that is. It's really close to here.
These incidents are eerily similar to events that occurred approximately 6 years ago in another local Blockbuster that were suspected to have been perpetrated by this man, Spencer Savage.
Fuck!
If you see this man, you're urged to call local authorities immediately.
And no one will even know I was here.
I'm here with Bob Kravosky, the store manager. Bob, do you have any comment on the recent string of deaths and disappearances at your store?
String of deaths and disappearances? I don't think so. Normally, I would send you to Blockbuster Media Relations. We're a giant corporation, and I'm not supposed to talk about these kind of things. But, in this case, I think I can make a comment. There isn't any deaths or disappearances. Blockbuster is a family place full of positive influences, where everybody can join together as one and watch movies together and be happy, just like God said we should be.
So, you're saying that several employees haven't disappeared recently?
Oh, well, my employees are disappearing all the time. They're a bunch of losers.
It was the tape! It was the tape. You've got to listen to me. I'm Spencer Savage.
Okay.
Are you on camera? 6 years ago, I worked at Blockbuster, and this tape, it transformed into a robot, and it killed people. We called it Video Bot.
Ooh, Video Bot. What the hell?
It somehow was able to pick up knives and kill people with its tape tongue. It will kill us all.
You're right.
You've got to listen to me.
Listen, sir, I've got very important things to do here.
My best friend died, and you will die too. You know all your employees that have disappeared are dead because of the tape.
My employees are idiots, just like some of my customers are.
Just like you.
Just like, listen, buddy, hit the bricks, all right? I got more important things to do than listen to your evil conspiracy theories.
You deserve to die, just like all your customers.
Get the hell out of here. Jesus.
Fuckface.
You better wrap that up.
I'm not entirely sure what just happened here, but I'm going to make sure that we get some more information for you soon.
We're clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, whew, wow. Okay, that was a little uncomfortable.
A little.
Yeah. So, if I told you you had a sexy body, would you hold it against me?
I'd certainly consider it.
You would?
Yeah.
Oh. You know, I'm like a machine.
Oh, yeah?
A sex machine.
Sounds good to me.
What? You want to go out sometime?
Sure. Sounds great.
Sweet. What's the wrong? Hey, turn that camera off!